I wanted so much to show you when I passed through Tours, because it's very, very beautiful, and I think it deserves to do a video about it. Also, it's nice because there is a lot of traffic, so it's interesting. Tours, it's a big city of France. We used to come a lot here with my girlfriend, with friends, to have a walk, to go eat in nice restaurants. Just we have to be careful with the kilometers per hour, because with the speed, because there is cameras, a lot of cameras. It's very, very big city, to be honest, and it's surrounded by two rivers. I'm not sure if it's two rivers or it's the same river that pass from the both sides of the city, but yeah. Here it's 80 for the trucks, no matter that it's a highway passing through the city. I don't know if you can see on the camera how when it was raining before and after, when there is sun on the road, it's really bad for the eyes and I can't see nothing. Many people are used to wear sunglasses, but me, I don't have this habit, so it's crazy. This morning was snowing and now it's sunny and it's 5 degrees outside. Here it's mostly the commercial zone of the city, and on the right it's the town. It's very interesting city. There is a lot of colleges, a lot of universities. There is a lot of young people here, and you know, wherever there are young people, it means there is bright future. Usually, depends the generation. Here is the second part of the river. Look at it. It's very, very beautiful. Football pitch, perfect to play on. Maybe you don't know because I didn't mention it in the video, but before I used to play a lot of football, and every time I see a pitch, I want to get out from the truck and go play football, like the good old times. A little castle here, or you have to say it proper, chateau in French. So yeah, this is the road passing through Tours. Let's see if we can pass this truck also. There is a sign, it's forbidden to pass with truck. Come on, faster, 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 faster. Up. And we're good. So yeah, it's what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more. subscribe for the channel so you can see the next videos, and see you soon guys. Bye bye.